Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Pad 3D and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info. And tap on I agree after the reading. And what happened? I hope that we just added our backup account. Yes, so that was I have no idea what was that, but we finally and successfully added our backup, account. So here we have to decide what kind of things we want to back up. I will choose the other device data like contacts, call history and text messages. You can also choose photos and videos, it's up to you, and tap on confirm. Okay, manage backup, and here we've got another backup section, so here we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so we can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now and of course confirm everything. And right now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.